falling in.
What's going on, YouTube? YouTube. Man, let me take the earbud out. Man, it's starting to feel good outside. I am not going to lie. I'm on my way to school. Got me some snacks. That's what my lunch was, if I'm being honest, but I haven't eaten nothing. All I ate was junk food. Bro, the amount of money that junk food come out to be, bro, you might as well just buy food. Like, you know, you want a little snack, bro, just buy food. Like, I got a Gatorade and some chips. It came out to like $8. I was like, damn, man, that's how much Cane's cost. That's how much Chick-fil-A costs. The inflation is crazy nowadays. I ordered some Chrome Tint. I got some Chrome Tint on the way. It arrives Thursday, so as we speak, like in the next couple of videos, I'm gonna have Chrome Tint on the vehicle, so that's gonna be hard. That's gonna be hard. So y'all make sure y'all follow. Y'all wanna stay tuned with that. I think it's gonna be hard. The car is black and chrome. Can't go wrong. It's gonna be a little calm POV though. It's gonna be a little calm POV. I am tired. But it's pay week, so you know I'm excited. No, I'm not. I gotta pay stuff off, man. You know, you get excited. That's gonna be like, ooh, we about to get paid. None of it stays in your pocket. It all goes to something. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna probably stop by either QT or the McDonald's, bro. Cause I'm gonna like, I know I should be eating food, but I'm gonna probably eat food when I get home. So I'm gonna probably get like a little snack, which I already got. But I'm not gonna bro, I keep saying I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, man. Them chips hurt my, like, I don't want it. I'm tired of those. I'm really just bringing them just like, you know, to get to my homies in my class, you know, like pass around, like, hey, y'all want some? Y'all want some? I know y'all want some. It's free. But yeah, no, really, I'm just bringing that to, like, you know, kind of share around the room, pass it around, pass it around. I might give me a frappe from McDonald's. I don't know yet. I don't know. We're gonna see. But it's hot. I'm not gonna hold you. It's hot. I'm burning up. Y'all hear that? Is that my car? Nah. It's the blower landscapers. I did landscaping for a while. It was cool. I actually enjoyed it, to be honest, but I only did it for like a month. So people who do it for like a living, they be like, damn, this is so hard. Like, I don't blame them. It probably is hard, but after a while. But I mean, I did it for a little while, so it wasn't too bad. I guess it was like kind of like a summer gig. I mean, I did it for a while, not for too long. It was cool though. Y'all let me know, what do y'all work in? Like, y'all so prioritized, like y'all got your own business? Y'all work on cars? Do y'all do construction? CDLs maybe? I know a lot of people do CDL now. I mean, I heard it pay good. I don't know though. I wonder, like, does CDL pay based on like what you're hauling, how far it is? I feel like there's so much factors that fall into it. I know people who like haul hazardous like material. They get paid really good. Like, you feel me? Like, they sleep in their cash. Like, imagine doing like pulling a trailer that has like cow doodle in it and it's hazardous, you know, methane goes kaboom. Imagine hauling that and you just get like a text saying, you're gonna receive like 10,000 tomorrow. Bro, I'll go to sleep like a baby. Man, I wouldn't probably even sleep in, man. I'd wake up 7 on the dot, wait for it to clear my account. Y'all see that? That's big. Bro, I was working today with a dude, man. Where I'm like, I'm an apprentice, so I'm like watching over this dude. I hold my own today. I started working on my own, you know. Obviously, I gotta have somebody watch over me though. But Man, bro, that, ouch, pothole. Man, that boy's like, he don't stink, but he did a nasty ass fart, man. Like, bro, it was like those quiet ones too, man. You can't. Bro, and I was following him too, so it was just like trailing behind him, and I was like, damn, bro. I told him, I was like, bro, you farted? Wow, that shit. Shady boo boo, man. Shady boo boo booty. But he's a cool guy. He's a cool guy. He's just, as far as stank, he's a chill dude. I like him. He's cool. But I think it's gonna be McDonald's. Yeah. I think McDonald's is gonna. I think McDonald's is the move, honestly. Oh, I can get a frosted lemonade from Chick-fil-A. I could do that, but I've been drinking a lot of them. Kind of want like. I feel like if I get like a mocha frappe, it's not gonna disappoint. Are y'all mocha frappe person, or y'all like a caramel frappe type of person? Dang, I don't know. I'm so indecisive. Should we flip a coin? Damn, bro, I'm gaining weight. I shouldn't even be eating that, but you only live once, right? Bro, I'm gonna do a pool. Bro, this is my sign. I'm gonna do a pool. If y'all still watching it, bro, y'all better be subscribed. I'm not playing. I'm gonna do a pool. Bro, this AC feels so good. I usually be recording. I hope it's not too loud in the video. I usually, every time I record, I turn it off because I feel like it has too many backgrounds. If you go back to my first videos, put it in Sport Plus, because why not? If y'all go back to like my first videos, I had my windows rolled down every time I drive, me thinking that you'd hear the exhaust better. In reality, man, all you hear was the wind. You couldn't even hear me. It sucked. So I grew up. I was a little kid. I grew up, and I realized that having the windows rolled up while you like recording, plays off better audio. So that's what I did. That's what I did. Bro, I want to get a motorcycle so bad, dude. You know, having this big camera on my head. I know people like, I know some POV like content, like people, they don't hide it, but they kind of put a hat on and they put it underneath so you can't really tell. I mean, you could tell if you look hard enough, but you can't really tell. But me, I don't do that. It's literally a strap. It's like, it's strapped, it's like a, bro, it's like a strap on with a camera on it on my head, bro. Bro, I promise you, people look in the car, they're gonna see this big block on the top of my head, bro. I'm telling you. It's literally a strap on with a camera on my head, bro. I'm telling you. Damn. My hands. Bro, is it my turn? It's my turn. It's about to be my turn. Oh yeah, it's about to be my turn. Bro, y'all seen that Q50 though? That bus scared me, bro. That bus was close. Damn, bro, I'm about to pass it. No, my McDonald's. Bruh. Bruh, I fit the stereotype, dude. Bruh, you know, stereotype, like, you know, going like, bruh, I was going 80 just to get McDonald's. That's embarrassing. Whose man's? I'm going 80 miles per hour just to get a McDonald's. Bro, they don't understand though. I was doing it for the POV. Bro, they don't understand. I'm doing it to get the pool. Nobody would. They would never get me. They would never understand. All right, but I'm gonna put the camera up when I make my frappe. Give me one minute. Yo, is this thing on? But y'all never watched Say the Science Kid? Bro, I got what I deserve though. Look. For yours truly. Oh man. Here comes the traffic. Or they gotta come out when they see me on the road. They're like, oh man, here he comes, block him. Not bad, not bad. Ew, look at this. At this pollen. What was that? Wait, was that a Supra? Hold on. Bro, I actually think that was a Supra. Bro, that's like my car, next car, bro. That's like my next car. That's what I'm getting next. No cars coming. We're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. Look at all these NPCs. Bots. Bro, you got a free open lane. But they want to stay in that lane. What a bunch of NPCs. What do other people think when they see like people with cameras on their head? Like, I seen a YouTuber once. It was a Spanish YouTuber though. I don't know what I know what they were saying. I speak Spanish, but like they weren't even talking. If I'm being for real, they were just, and they had like a big camera, like they had like a big camera setup. You know, like the ones where you had to hold with two hands and like that. I'm like, damn, you must be big. I'm small. I'ma get big though. I wanna know what that black car was. And it didn't sound like a B58. Oh, whoa, 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 y'all see that? Alright, he knows. He knows what's up. But if y'all do enjoy me, or if y'all enjoy my videos I make, subscribe. It really does help me though, if I'm being honest. All jokes aside, it does help me, and it makes me happy, honestly. It helps me continue and wants to it puts remote control ad car, bro. It pushes me to like want to make more videos, if that makes sense. It motivates me, if I'm being honest, to put in short times. But I am here, so I'm gonna let y'all go. So if y'all do like the videos, like and subscribe. Comment if y'all got any questions, or comment if y'all got any, if you want to just talk to me, it's cool. But I'm gonna see you on the next video.